Okay guys, we're just in the airport now, and I'm just watching the baggage getting loaded on the plane and some other planes just getting ready to go. This is our flight right here. Okay, so we're just departing over to Miami. I could look down here. It looks pretty cool down here, actually. I can see everything. Like, literally, I can see everything. Okay. Here's another plane looking like it's departing to Washington or something, they said. Okay. Oh, wow. From my view, that plane looks really close. But from the camera's view, it's not, like, really focused. So I'm just trying to film this video.
Miami passenger bay 2 check for seat assignment.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I could zoom in.
Passenger allowed in Wanderer check.
So now I can zoom in. Okay. I think this is like a 7:57. I can't tell because it's so dark outside. It's like 6 in the morning now. We're departing so early. I had to wake up so early this morning. Oh my god. Okay, let's zoom out again. Oh wow. The airport's not that packed though. Okay.
Following passengers Armstrong, if you're here, please
So it could just have a while. Take a while.
If you're here, please identify yourself, please.
So I'm gonna let you take a look at this plane while they're loading up the bags and stuff. Okay. So I'm just gonna go and I'll let you look at some stuff here. Yeah, you know what? You might think this is kind of boring, so I'm just gonna take that. Okay, so we are just waiting for a flight to board now, and I'm just looking at all of these stuff. There's planes taking off over there, if you could see it. The camera's just kind of blurry sometimes. It doesn't really focus like that. I just hate it. I just hate this camera when it doesn't focus well. Okay, there's a plane right there. Then I'll make another video where we will be on the plane in another video. Okay. So I could see the pilots moving in there, like, seriously. They're just probably starting up everything. Because the engines are not on yet, as you see. Let me zoom in a little more for you guys. 1 second. I don't think it could zoom out any more than this, but look, the engine is not started, if you could see. The engine's not started yet. So I don't think they're starting anything really yet. But really. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I'll make another video when I'm in Miami. So just stay by for that video. I know I didn't make any YouTube videos in a long time. I just had no YouTube ideas, but this one is pretty good. So those trucks driving. Wait, did I just see a bird? If you just saw that, please leave a comment down below, because really, it just struck the wing. That bird just struck the wing. Did you just see that? I don't know if you just saw that because the camera is really blurry. Okay, this is gate A21. That's where we're boarding. And yeah, we're just waiting here. Okay, there's a truck driving right there. And, okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna get out of here and make some more YouTube videos, I guess. So I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.